Hello my friends, welcome back to Linked Zone channel. We still explain how to use the Telegram app with a very simple way from beginner to professional with a very simple step. In today's tutorial we will explain how to add a member to your Telegram group. Let's get started and see how can we do that. First, tap on Telegram app icon. Click on your Telegram group which you want to add a member. Press here. We have two ways to add a member. First one is to click on this icon. After that, press on added member. Let's select this one. After that, press on this icon. You will get notification. Are you sure you want to add Elon Musk to Linked Zone? And also another notification for showing 100 message. If you want member to have access, just press on this icon. If you don't want, just press here. After that, click on add. Now you already added member to your Telegram group. The second way is to add this pin icon. After that, click on members. Press on added members. Let's select this person. Press OK. Same notification. Are you sure you want to add Ahmed to Linked Zone? And below you can give permission to Ahmed to see last 100 message. If you want to access, just keep it. If you don't like to show the last 100 message, press on the same icon here. After that, press add it. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to add a member to your Telegram group. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.